everybody, Las Vegas Bus Sales.
Take a walk around, check it out. Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here, excited to show you one of my favorite buses, which is a 2013 Bluebird All-American. This bus is powered by a Cummins 6.7 in the rear, propelled by an Allison transmission. We've got seating in there for 44 passengers. Very clean interior, very clean exterior. Got a nice large AC system in there too. We'll show you that. Let's check out the outside first. We'll take you a walk around. This is a beautiful bus. You'd be hard pressed to find one this clean. A Bluebird. More importantly, should have said at the beginning, only 46,000 miles on this bus, which is indicative of the condition.
Tires are excellent.
Tires are excellent.
The sun's hitting it kind of funny.
Yeah, can you see it okay on there? Here, I'll get out of y'all's way so you can see how bright white this thing is. It's nice and shiny. Of course, we've got straight metal all the way down. Drive tires. Drive tires aren't as exciting as the front.
I say the front tires.
Oh, the drive tires don't even write home about that. Note the drives. On the other side, we'll see if we can get a picture underneath. Yeah, note those drives. That is not very appealing. Back in though we've got straight bumper. Pop this open, let you take a look at the power in the back. 6.7 Cummins, very clean engine compartment. All your belts and hoses look good. Nothing looks to be dry rotted or anything. Of course, we'll have our guys put their nose to it. Coming around to the other side, is it picking it up pretty good on the dark side? Same story on this side. Drive tires aren't much to write home about. Can you see it up under there? They got we got brand new batteries back here. Looking good all the way down. There's just a little something right there, a little superficial scratch. Diesel fill up here on the front. It takes 100 gallons of diesel. You know what? Let's go inside and check it out. Driver's area is great. Is excellent. Dash, all your buttons look good. Instrument cluster, all that. Plenty of room on these bench seats. What do you rank these seats, Dan? What do you think?
9.5.
9.5? Yeah, they look good. 9.5.
Small.
44 passengers. A couple of small ribs. Of course, we got those two large evaporators. They're moving some nice cool air through the bus. Tinted windows, drop down style. Oh, I almost forgot to give them the 6 foot, what are we at? 6'6" on the ceiling. A little over 90 inches on the width. Plenty of room for adults to move around in here. It's a great people mover. Seen them used for a lot of purposes. Crew haulers, adventure tours, transporting, moving people. You get the point. Pricing and availability, where do you find it? LasVegasBusSales.com, or give us a call, 877-456-9804. It is a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.